Hi everyone, Cindy A. Lewis here. I'm just going to show you how to make a quick hidden pocket today in this quick and easy craft. And this is just recipe cards that I had from a purchase from an old estate sale. And I got a whole bunch for 50 cents. Really cool recipes too. Plus they already look aged. These are ones that I made previously. These are larger. And you just have to know where to cut to make it fit in, and it's really simple. So I just thought I would show you today how to make one similar to this. So I've got two recipe cards here. Recipe cards are 3 by 5, so that's the size of my pocket that I'm going to make. And we're going to just, because I want to, I'm going to round the corners for all my edges here. Now, I can leave these as they are. I can vintagize the edges, and I may go ahead and do that just so that you can see what that entails. Basically using a brown, this is Vintage Photo, it's my favorite, and I'm going to use this one just to go around the edges to make it look a little more vintage and give it a little shadow, just so you can see. Now, the next thing that I need to do is I want to put glue around the edge, and I'm going to glue these two pieces together, just a small line of glue. You can use tacky glue, whatever you like, and I just go around the edge with glue. You can use the adhesive of your choice, but just don't go too wide from your edge. Another tip is don't mush your edges around, you know, like don't do this, because then you get glue everywhere. So this is going to have to set for a second. So we're going to put that aside. The next thing that I'm going to do is create an inside. And it needs to be a good an inch shorter and a good 3/4 of an inch in width shorter. So this is 3 inches. So I made this 2 1/4 inches. And then this is 5 inches, so I made it 4 inches. This is going to be my inside where I can write a little note and everything like that. All right, the next thing that you need to do is you're going to need to cut this double layered recipe card to make your top pull. So I like to make it about 1.5 inches. So I just measure it to about 1.5 inches here, and I cut it. So now I have the two pieces, and you can see the inside is open. Yeah, I'll show you. There we go. You're going to take your card, and you're going to glue it. And you're going to put glue on both sides. So we're just going to put glue up at the top here, and then glue up at the top here. And if you want to put your vintage distress look on both sides, you can do that too. And slide it in. Now before you seal it, in other words, press it into place with that glue, you want to make sure it's in the middle and as even as possible. And then just glue it together like that. Then what you have is your hidden pocket. And just slide it in, and it's a hidden pocket. So now let's have a little fun decorating it a bit. And then just put a little hole in there if you want to do a hole punch. And this is just a heavy duty hole punch. If you want to know where to get it from Amazon, I'm happy to provide that info for you. Just link below hole punch in the comments, and I will send you the link. And I'm just going to put in some twine for my pull there to pull, and I'm just going to tie it this time and have a cute hidden pocket. And there you go. And then there's your hidden pocket over your little journaling card. You can make it however you want. And then these are some others. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.